Good morning, kids. Hope you're doing great. Welcome to your Friday class. Do you remember that yesterday we were checking used to? For example, I used to watch The Simpsons on TV. In the past, I used, like a routine, watch The Simpsons on TV. Yeah, that was a common routine I had. In the present, I don't watch The Simpsons anymore. Yeah, so this is affirmative because that was real. But today we're going to check negative form. So, negative is the opposite. Actions that in the past you didn't do, you didn't have as a routine. Yeah? For example, I didn't used to watch romantic movies. I didn't like to watch romantic movies. So, I didn't used to watch romantic movies in the past. In the present, sometimes, I'm not going to lie. So, check the differences. In negative form, I have my auxiliary. In past. Do you remember that did indicates past? And check. Remember that didn't is the combination of did plus not. Yeah? So, not indicates negative form. So, didn't is my auxiliary in past for negative form. Now, make your brain work. Remember, we can have only one verb that indicates past. So, if I have my auxiliary in past, use is not going to be in past because here is in past. And here, as we have this auxiliary in past, my use is going to be in present. Yeah? So, past, present, and the action, the verb, is going to be in present too. Yeah? So that is the difference. In affirmative form, we use used in past. And in negative form, we are going to use in present. Because I am using my auxiliary in past. Yeah? So this is my first example. I didn't used to watch romantic movies. No. Yeah? In the past. Now, we're going to check some more examples. Okay, now here are some examples of how to use didn't used to. In the first example, I have my grandma didn't used to watch TV. Yeah, in the past, my grandma didn't watch TV. So that wasn't a routine she had. She probably used to listen to the radio or some different activities. But my grandma didn't used to watch TV. Now, people didn't used to drive cars. Probably because cars didn't exist years ago. So people didn't used to drive cars. This wasn't a routine for people, so it didn't used to happen. Now, my grandpa didn't used to have a cell phone. Yeah, probably also because the cell phones didn't exist. So they weren't part of the everyday life of people. So, for example, my grandpa, he didn't used to have a cell phone. Check how I'm using my auxiliary didn't, and use is in present. Okay, so these were some examples. I'm going to send you some exercises so you can practice at home.